Hello everyone, welcome to Formfully channel. In today's video, we are diving into the TCS WINGS 1 process track questions. We will be going through a series of multiple choice questions of process that are inspired by previous year exams. So if you are planning to conquer the process exam, watch the full video that will help you prepare for this track. Let's get started with this first question. Question 1. What are the ways to manage the shift efficiency with zero impact on business? Option A, all the options. Option B, ensure that team has relevant knowledge to prioritize the task based on SLAs or deliverables. Option C, ensure that the shift handover takeover procedures are followed. Option D, ensure that all the team members are aware of their roles and responsibilities assigned to the shift. And the correct option is A, all the options. Question 2. The sprint has ended. The development team has not completed any of the product backlog items selected for the sprint. What would be the next step? Option A, end of the sprint with retrospective since Scrum favors time boxing. Option B, extended the sprint since Scrum favors task getting done. Option C, request the product owner to accept the completed portion of the incomplete product backlog item and plan to complete them by next sprint, since Scrum favors empowered teams. And the correct option is C. Question 3. Which of the following risk will be identified through RIO risk identification exercise? Option A, operational risk, both customer and TCS related. Option B, only customer related risk. Option C, only TCS operations risk. Option D, none of the above. And the correct option is A, operational risk, both customer and TCS related. Question 4. When multiple Scrum teams are working on same product, how many product owners and product backlogs are needed? Option A, multiple product owners and multiple product backlogs. Option B, one product owner and one product backlogs. Option C, multiple product owners and one product backlog. Option D, one product owner and multiple product backlogs. And the correct option is C, multiple product owners and one product backlog. Question 5. A team wants to use planning poker to estimate efforts to achieve sprint goals. What will be the best recommendation? Option A, use when estimating a large number of items with large group of participants. Option B, use to find similar user stories and group them together to visualize the estimation. Option C, use numbered playing cards to estimate a relative small number of items in small teams. Option D, use an informal and quick way to get a rough feeling about the total size of backlog. And the correct option is C, use numbered playing card to estimate a relative small number of items in small team. Question 6. The process of granting users the right to use a service and system to manage the confidentiality, availability and integrity of the organization's data and IP. Option A, transition management. B, configuration management database. Option C, definitive media library. Option D, software configuration library. And the answer is no options given are correct. The correct answer is identity and access management. Question 7. When does a product backlog retires? Option A, when the product owner retires. Option B, when the customer provides sign-off on completion of project. Option C, when the product retires. Option D, when all sprint overs. And the answer is no options associated with the overall life cycle of the product. The retirement of product backlog is typically associated with the overall life cycle of the product. Question 8. It is a secure logical library in which the definitive authorized version of all software media configuration items are stored and protected. Option A, integration library. Option B, configuration management database. Option C, definitive media library. Option D, software configuration library. And the correct option is C, definitive media library. Question 9. What are the ways to manage the shift efficiency with zero impact on business? Option A, normal change. Option B, service change. Option C, major incident. Option D, standard process. And the correct option is C, major incident. Question 10. During the transition, who will sign the toll gates to move from one stage of transition to another stage? Option A, outgoing vendor transition manager. Option B, TCS transition manager. Option C, customer transition manager, since they are the approvers. Option D, toll gates will be signed in at agreement with all above stakeholders. And the correct option is D. Toll gates will be signed in agreement with all above stakeholders. Thanks for watching. If you find this content valuable, do like, share and subscribe.